And see, it says Pine.
Siskin.
And we write down
6.
6.
John Finn and his 3-year-old daughter Pangea, or Gigi as she's called, are deep into their count.
American goldfinch. We didn't see any, so we have to put a 0.
The idea is to create a snapshot of bird populations and then track trends over several years, all with the help of citizen scientists like little Gigi.
Okay, now we'll put them in the computer here. Pine siskin.
Last year, more than 93,600 checklists were turned in online, creating America's largest snapshot of bird populations ever recorded.
Now how about house finch? How many?
5.
Good. Do you want to put the 5? Very nice.
The Great Backyard Bird Count is a joint project of the Cornell Lab of Ornithology and Audubon. Their website has simple instructions on how to participate for both adults and children.
And now we hit submit. And we send our information into the people that count all the birds in the whole country.
Gigi's fortunate to have an amazing backyard built for birds, and parents and a grandmother who encourage her interest in wildlife.
Which bird out there do you like the very best, Gigi?
Junco.
And why an interest in the outdoors?
I think it's essential, certainly, because this is the world she lives in.
For Be Outside, I'm Michael Keckler.